Hey guys, Jason Geiman here on a Wednesday for our Wednesday video. So I just wanted to let you all know that I am changing up a little bit here. Originally I was going to do my Christmas lights and pressure washing all on one channel, and I've decided to change that a little bit. I'm actually going to start a Christmas light channel, which I will have the link down below. It's Christmas lights, and I will put the link down there. And the reason why I'm doing it is I really want it to, I know it's going to be tough, and I really would like for you to go over and subscribe to that channel if you would, please. And that would help me to start growing the channel. I'd like to get it up to where this one is. If not, I want to get them both up to about 10,000 subscribers. But I need your help to do that. So would you please go over and subscribe to the Christmas light channel. This channel is going to be all about Christmas lights and anything Christmas. It'll be about displays. It's going to be how to put up Christmas lights, whether you're a homeowner or you're a professional. I'll show you both ways. And everything. And so that is why I am doing it for. Like I say, I would appreciate it very much. Again, thank you for subscribing to this channel, and please subscribe to my Christmas light channel. I will have a link in below. I'll have a video up here that will automatically take you to that channel, and all you have to do will be, actually it'll be down here, all you will have to do is click it, watch the video, and hit subscribe. Like I say, I'd appreciate it very much. I will be doing pressure washing videos still through here, but for the month of October, from October 10th through November 10th, and maybe all the way up till Christmas, just to see if I can get enough content out, I will be putting a video out a day, at least from October 10th through November 10th. I may get longer than that. I may try to go to Christmas, and a bunch of that will be displays. Cincinnati Zoo, just displays I take my kids to, and all that kind of stuff. So please subscribe, and thank you for watching. And if you subscribe to me, I'll subscribe back to you. Thanks, and have a great day.